YouTube, welcome back to Alexander Acres. My name's Larry, and I appreciate this visit. Today's topic is freezing wellhead. Man, it's been cold here in North Carolina. I'm thinking we're seeing some record-breaking temperatures, and this is my first time living on well water. My very first year, our very first month living in our home. Thanksgiving, we had to cancel dinner. We had no water for family. So with that said, I came up with a way that helps me not have to worry about leaving my water dripping at home or heating pipes or even using electricity. Now, there's nothing wrong with this. It's a heat lamp. Works well for my chickens, my animals, to keep them warm. It'll also keep this well from freezing up when we have very cold temperatures. But it does take electrical. And I wanted something that I didn't have to worry about. I leave it on, it stays on, no worries. So with that said, I bought something extremely cheap. And I'm talking, I think I spent $1.50 for it. And it is a simple pool noodle. Yes, believe it or not, this pool noodle has avoided freezing of the pipes here. I wrapped it, duct taped it as much as I could possibly get to. I even fit in some tight spots, and you'll notice that, yeah, it's ugly, but extremely functional. So I just wanted to take a moment to show you all this very simple, very inexpensive step to help keep your temperatures from freezing. Now, personally, I think that the coldest temperatures that I've seen right here have been about 17, 16 degrees early in the morning. And yet and still, no freezing pipes. So just wanted to take a quick few minutes to show you a very effective step in keeping your water from freezing. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. I hope this helps somebody out.